pretty much that's everything here. Okay, let's see how we can model this here. I'm gonna try to use the 2D sketches and add these dimensions to produce this part at the end. So let's just go ahead. I'm gonna go to my sketch plans. I'm gonna use maybe the Z-axis. Okay, now I'm gonna get a center point rectangle from my center of origin, and I'm gonna add corner rectangle here, and probably I will use center construction line here, and I need to make sure this is centered with this. So I'm gonna just press on this vertex, and I'm telling him onto line, this one. So now it's just on the center. Now I'm gonna make sure this is horizontal. Okay, so now it's just on the center. Okay, we have the look of it now. Let's add the dimensions. So it's 66 from here, and this guy is 72. Okay, let's just take this as a horizontal, and 14 and 46. And this 14, and this one is 46. And I'm gonna get this 3-point arc from here to here to the center. Okay. Now we've got also our pens here. 1, 2, 3. And this is a chamfer at 45, 4 millimeters. So I'm gonna press on this too and give them a chamfer, 4 millimeters. And this one from here to here, 10. And this one from here to here is 26. Now this one is 8. This one is also 8. And probably I can select these two and make them equal, so it's going to be also 8. And from the inside it's 6 millimeters, and this one also should be 6, so it's just a reference. Okay, now what's left is we've got 6 millimeters on the vertical here. Okay, now I can select these 3 guys, right click, make them equal, so they are just equal here. And I'm gonna add this chamfer here also. So I just gonna insert a line like this, and it's 10 from here to here, and 6 millimeters on the vertical. Okay, now the same at the other side, or I can easily press on here, use mirror on this side. Okay, let's just make sure this arc here is 30 and it's vertical, right? We got this guy from here to here, 45. Now let's use trim. So I'm gonna trim these, this one, this one, this one, and those. And I'm gonna enable the multi-face mode here. Select my face here and go to offset, and it's going to be 4 millimeters. And I'm gonna make sure I just use exploded curves, so then I've got my offset here. And I'm gonna offset this face again at 3 millimeters. I'm gonna also make sure it's exploded to curves. Okay, now I'm going to add center bone rectangle here, and it's going to be 12. Right? So from here, I'm gonna trim these. And I'm going to uncheck multi-face mode for just a second, and I'm going to select this point and this point, this point, this point. I'm going to go fillet. This radius here is 4. I'm going to accept it. Probably. Okay. Now the sketching section is just finished. I'm going to enable multi-face mode again. I'm going to select this guy and right click, extrude. I'm going to use mirror here, so it's going to extrude it at the other side, and it's going to be 3 millimeters with this guy. And I'm going to accept it. Now go here again, enable my sketch. Use this guy, right click, extrude, and this time it's going to be 12, and I'm going to divide it by 2, which is going to be 6 millimeters. Enable the mirror and accept. Now when I just hop my sketch, you could probably say that everything looks great. I have my key as a picture. Just gonna add this 2 small fillets here. Right click, fillet. We got these are 2 millimeters. Alright. Pretty much that's everything here.